Hi, how are you? I'm Thomas. This is Piotr. Before we begin, actually, I have a personal story to tell you. This is true story, by the way. I was here last year, 1 year ago, sitting in the audience as a city banker, watching all the great presentations, and I felt, I gotta do this too. So I went back to New York, turned in my resignation, and started my company. And 1 year later, here I am on the stage presenting as an entrepreneur. Thank you. Thank you, Finovate.
Hey, so what is NAMU? NAMU is a customer-centric, data-driven social banking platform. It's a mouthful, but there's a lot of meaning behind it, actually. We took the basic use cases of mobile banking and added another dimension of social, visual, and emotional contextual data. And to deliver all that, we crafted a simple yet powerful information architecture that leads to new mobile banking experiences that are very engaging. Thomas, would you like to show us that?
Yeah, absolutely. So let's get right to it. Let me take a look at the My Bank that are actually enabled, powered by NAMU. Oh, I just got the alert for my electricity bill that I gotta pay. So let me log into NAMU. Let me log into My Bank app, which is actually powered by NAMU. Let's take a look at these visuals of the mobile banking app. Is this possible? Look at all the pictures. Look at the associations of the accounts and transactions to the pictures. Normally, in the mobile banking app, you will go to pay and transfer to do the payments, but they said that I can do a better way, which is using a calendar. So when I go to calendar, you see all the transaction history organized by date and even bills of the future in the calendar. So let me click on this particular date, which tells me there's an electricity bill that is due on this particular day. So when I click on this one, what this will do is that you will take the information of the invoices, immediately populate everything is needed to be done on the pay and transfer screen. I review that, and then click on transfer, confirms once again, all the amount is transferring, done. I've done the pay and transfer of the bills in 2 clicks. Isn't this amazing? Oh, thanks for tweeting about my presentation. All right, so while at it, let's take a look at other use cases. All right, by the way, the other day, actually, Pio came to my house party, and he spilled wine on my expensive leather couch. I'm very upset, Pio. But by the way, so let me actually go and get a new couch. But this time, since I'm actually a little short of my cash, I'm going to actually get a personal loan from my bank to see whether I can do this quickly. They actually said that there's a promotions available up to $10,000 at 4% interest rate. So, and they also mentioned that I can do this via live bank video, not need to go into branches or sign any piece of paper. I can do it in 2 minutes. So, shall we give it a try? So I just click on the video icon of the promotions, and then here's my bank agents that is waiting to talk to me, and hopefully he has all the information. Oh.
How can I help you? I understand you are interested in 10,000 US dollars loan for 12 months. Is it right?
Yeah, but I don't need $10,000. I need $3,000, please.
Okay, right. Well, please look at the loan simulator.
Okay.
I'm going to show you the terms.
Okay. Great. Oh, so this is my
are they
loan
okay
payment?
for you?
Got it. Okay. Got it. Oh, wow. You already calculated everything. Wow, very fast, very efficient.
All right. Listen, in the meantime, I have verified that you are eligible for the loan. So tell me, would you like to take it?
Absolutely. I would like to take it right away.
Right. So please authorize this transaction with SMS code which have been sent to your mobile phone.
Okay, got it. So let me just enter I already received a PIN, which is great. Okay, let me enter client informations, and then my PIN informations. Great, so I finished everything.
I see that your transaction has been accepted, and the loan is available on your current account now.
Wow.
Can I help you with anything else?
Okay, great. Wow, this is beautiful, so fast. Anything else I need to do?
No. Thank you, then. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, great, thank you. Isn't this wonderful? that you could get your personal loan in 2 minutes. You don't have to go to the branches or anything like that. Just everything is done. Wow. So let's get back to the couch because I'm still very upset here, by the way.
Yeah.
I need to get the couch for my next house party. So I want to go to that Swedish furniture store. What's the name of it? IKEA?
IKEA.
IKEA, right, that's right. So rather than going to Google to find that store, let me actually go and search within mobile banking because it tells me all the history of purchases that I've done at this particular store. Yes, I bought this, the furniture for my child. And look at that, there's an extra 10% discount up to $3,000. How convenient. Let me take a look at the offer. Even free meal of Swedish meatball. Oh my goodness.
How great is that?
Yeah, I gotta go right now. Okay. And look at that, there's Uber, which means that I don't need to enter any information. They already know the originations and destinations. It tells me how much I need to pay. So I just need to set up the pickup locations, which I'm not gonna do here on the stage. And then actually get there. Wow, this is so convenient. Is this possible in mobile banking?
Wow.
Well,
Seems it is.
Yeah, it is possible with NAMU, right? So anyway, okay, great. So now I'm gonna wait for Uber driver to come. And then let me just do one more thing. Because a lot of times actually you see your informations of how much you're spending with the people that you love. And here's my wife. I actually want to go and make a reservation in this particular restaurant with my wife. This is good experiences. And then I'm ready to go with these particular locations. All right, great. Now, okay, so this is NAMU. This is what we are doing with the social spending. And this is, oh, by the way, it's Uber driver. Okay. All right. I canceled it, I thought.
There are a lot more use cases that we'd like to present to you. Unfortunately, we're out of time. So please come by our booth.
Thank you, Finovate. Thanks.
Thank you.